Check this bad boy out. Chrysler. Just gotta love the classic design, bro. Back in the days. True artists, honestly. Today, yeah, they sketch stuff or whatever, but nah. Oldies but goodies. Chrysler. Get all that chrome. Chrysler New Yorker Deluxe. New Yorker Deluxe. They stole the new, they just left the Yorker. Check out the inside. Pretty well maintained. Oh, favorite cigarette, look at that. Back in the days, how cool is that? Yeah? Oh, cigarette lighter. Classic. Man, I love that stuff. We need that in cars again. I miss that. Growing up, and you had cars like this. Light it up. Light it up. It's not working though. But that was always a nice touch. Handles. Yeah. Bob.